Hi everybody, this is Dr. Andrew Scott from BetterLifeChiropractic.ca. Today I want to talk to you about adrenal fatigue. We've had a lot of questions in the clinic and a lot of patients are wondering what is this thing called adrenal fatigue. It's our upcoming workshop, and what exactly is it? Well, the interesting thing about our adrenals is there's these tiny little walnut-shaped glands sitting on top of our kidneys that are often referred to as the stress glands of our body. And as everybody pretty much understands, we have our nervous system that controls and coordinates every single cell, tissue, organ of our bodies. The adrenal glands work like the backup battery of our electrical system. Okay, so they're part of what's called the endocrine system of our body, which is all the hormones and tissues of the body that produce these hormones. And so the adrenal glands are kind of like the quarterback of stress. And so what we've come to understand is many times when we have chronic stress in our lives, poor sleep rhythm or digestion issues or immune system challenges or chronic inflammation, what research is now telling us, it involves our adrenal glands. And they are powerful little glands that do so many things in our bodies, beyond just giving us an elevation of adrenaline and cortisol, but they do so many other things as well. And so they're tied to so many other bodily functions. And so what we want to do is we want to teach everybody how to help your adrenal glands be healthier, and ultimately, how do we help you be healthier. So I want you to make sure you reserve your seats for this upcoming workshop. It's going to be power-packed information that's practical, take home with you, and it will absolutely change your life. Seating is limited, so please do reserve your seats as soon as possible, because you don't want to miss this one. It's going to be a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing you. It's going to be on Tuesday, February 25th at 6:30 in the clinic. Invite the sickest people you know to join us. Our goal with these workshops is to empower families to live healthier through compassion, inspiration, and life-changing care. Thanks.